Hey everybody, and welcome back to Northwest Craftsman. Today we're going to be talking about what to do with your Dewalt 735 planer after you've gotten it out and after you've gotten it set up, because if you're like me and the planer came in before the stand, you've just got it set up right on top of your workbench, and you can't keep it on top of your workbench because then it gets in the way of all the rest of the projects. So today's going to be a pretty quick episode as I go through and set up the planer, and I'm going to kind of show you what the Dewalt planer stand looks like and how it's used and how it helps around the shop to free up a little space because it makes your planer mobile. All right, here we go. Let's get started. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I'm really happy to have that planer stand so now I can get my planer off of my workbench and start working on some other stuff. And because it's got casters on the bottom and one deployable caster, it allows it to wheel around the entire workshop. So it should allow me to move it around wherever I need, especially because we've got a really full garage right now. But yeah, thank you guys for joining. I appreciate it. If you have any questions about why I chose the Dewalt planer stand, let me know. If you have any other questions about the planer itself, let me know in the comment section down below. And thanks for joining. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I love interacting with all of you guys and seeing you guys there on a regular basis. And as we're trying to build a community, that makes a big difference. So if you're already subscribed, thank you very much. Appreciate it. You can also find us on Instagram and Facebook. Okay. Have a great weekend, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.